So the Reggae Girl kicks off their campaign as one of the heavy hitters on game day 1. So the Reggae Girls smash Anguilla 6-0 in their opening encounter in the Concacaf Under-20 Women's Championship qualifiers. Apparently, all those teams who have finished top of the group will advance to the championship, and basically what we're seeing so far, it definitely looks as if we are basically on our way. So Honduras also in our group. So the group comprises of Jamaica, Honduras, Bermuda, and Anguilla, and definitely Honduras have actually set themselves apart as well, similar to that of the Reggae Girls. The big test for this group will be Honduras, apparently, as they put aside Bermuda 5 goals without a 5-goal deficit. Certainly, this is going to be definitely an interesting one. So only 2 teams in the group who is on 3 points at present moment, Jamaica and Honduras, and just in around there you see Bermuda and Anguilla relishing down the bottom of the table. Certainly Jamaica going up tomorrow against Bermuda is going to be, I think it's going to be a game to look out for. That game against Bermuda will be a test and a just aspect of what to see or what to expect from Jamaica against Honduras. And it depends. It really depends. Because if we can put in an astonishing performance against Bermuda and really take them to school and brush them aside, we can clearly see that we now have something in the bag for the Reggae Girls, and in regards to how that is. But definitely let me just run through the goal scorers again. Well, I'm not going to do the goal scorers for tomorrow's games. I do expect to see the similar team sheet, and the reason why I do think that the coach may be going for a bit of familiarity and also consistency. We might see a few changes, maybe since the goalkeeper, the next goalkeeper, we might see that. We might see that change, and maybe I don't think we might see a lot of. I don't think we're going to see a lot of changes. My projection is that we might see the same team, and then after that we might see a few players coming at halftime. It depends on how the game would proceed. It's important though, because it's just 2 days rest. And remember that the girls, when they arrive, they didn't get the opportunity to do much training session, so it's just a bit of recovery after the arrival. I do believe that they would have known, had the opportunity to maybe put in a training session this evening in preparation for what is to come tomorrow. So that's actually something to look forward to. But so far, as I said, we are one of the heavy hitters, and we are one of the teams that looks likely to advance to the championship, and I'm hoping that we do so. So definitely, people, so for tomorrow's game, I'm expecting to see a very good performance as well. I'm also expecting to see similar to that, the scoreline that we saw last night, and I don't want us to take the foot off the gas. And you can clearly see that last night we took our foot off the gas, and we will end up scoring 1 goal in the final, in the second half. We can't afford to do that again. We must now use these games to build on that clinical edge, that team cohesiveness, and I can say that the team played very well. The cohesiveness, the character that they showed, and just playing the ball together. And this is now another opportunity for us to sharpen our boots. All the players who haven't scored any goals in the attacking third, to sharpen their boots and going into the Honduras game and see what we can do. The Honduras game is in Tuesday, but certainly this is now another opportunity for us to sharpen whatever we can do and fix this, tweak and fixing the minor details to make us a stronger outlet coming into the next matchup against Honduras. Keep on saying Honduras because they are the team in the group which is likely to be a bit of a problem for us, and they will be the test and adjust for what we have planned. But certainly we look to advance to the next round, which is quite good based on how we look in the first game, and we want to keep that momentum going forward. Anyways, won't keep you long, guys. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm certainly Reggae Girls continue doing the good work, and you guys look wonderful out on the pitch. Love the confidence that's oozing from the player. I love the fact that they are playing with a lot of personality, and I love that, and they're enjoying their football. So hopefully we continue on the same trend going into the Honduras game, and then now we see what we are really capable of in the Honduras game, people. So Honduras game is the one we have our eye, or is it called a left eye or left eye on? Maybe our right eye or left eye is on the game tomorrow against Bermuda, which is just a sharpen trump the players in front of goal, tweak and fix a few aspects of our game, of our playing style, and then now on to Honduras, which will be the big matchup. Anyways, people, take care. Have a good one. This has been MG Sports TV, people, and we are out. Boom.